Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. I'm Neisha, and in today's video we're getting some cleaning done in my refrigerators and restocking and cleaning out our pantry. So I'm starting to wipe out and clean out this refrigerator. Actually, before this, I had cleaned our other refrigerator, but I didn't bother to film that because I just didn't feel like I needed to show both. So I'm just getting this all nice and clean, and then I'm gonna restock all the stuff for the refrigerator and my containers and all that stuff and show you how I set it up in just a while. I will, however, show you, I think, a snippet of my other refrigerator cleaned out. But yeah, so right now I'm just restocking for the refrigerator.
The traveling kind, it's a known fact.
So I'm chiming in again just to say I would love for you to subscribe or consider subscribing here on my channel. I love to do all things cleaning, sometimes cooking. I love decorating. I will occasionally put snippets of mom life in here. So overall, if you're interested in stuff like that or snippets of lifestyle, I would love for you to join my YouTube community. Yeah. So as you can see, I just did several loads of laundry and switching from washer to dryer and so forth. But this is a before of my pantry. It is out of control. So I'm just showing you this, and I'm gonna get started on cleaning that up.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry,
Alright guys, so we're at the end of this video, or nearing the end. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
'Cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does.